Welcome to this tutorial on how to rename a file in Google Drive using your PC. Keeping your files organized is essential, and renaming them can help you quickly identify what you need. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. This will take you to your Drive, where all your files are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the file you want to rename. You can easily find it by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top. When you see the file, hover over it to reveal some options. Next, click on the 3 vertical dots located next to the file name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to that file. Look for the option that says Rename and click on it. Now, a small window will pop up asking you to enter a new name for your file. Type in the new name that you want to use. Make sure it's descriptive enough so that you can easily recognize it later. Once you've entered the new name, click on the OK button to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your file in Google Drive. If you go back to your Drive, you'll see that the file now appears with its new name. Renaming files is a simple yet effective way to keep your digital workspace organized and efficient. Remember, whether you're correcting a spelling mistake or updating a project title, these steps will help you manage your files better. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider checking out more tips on managing your Google Drive effectively. Happy organizing!